treasures you find in an old farm truck glove box. Old money receipts. We got a whole maintenance log. Oil change. 413.81, 82. I don't know if you see that. 82 oil change, gas filter miles. This is 8,000 miles right there. Same thing, 84, 83, 84, 84. 2 new front tires, front end align. Mileage is 11,875. August 6th, my birthday in 84. Oil change, points, plugs, wires, rotor, distributor cap. Miles is now 12,724. Front U joint, 85, 85. 85. Gas filter, oil, grease hubs. This old boy kept some good maintenance and a good maintenance log. Oil change. That's cool. 2 rocker panels, 1 body fill. Back up to 87. Oil change, points, timing chain, timing cover. Jump up a couple into 91. Oil change, heat duct, oil change, oil filter, gas filter, new mufflers, new exhaust pipes. Mileage is now 50,962. 93. Got some primer, some new mirrors. Mileage is now 63,088. 93, 93, 94, 94, 95. Oil change. Not filter. New thermostat, gasket. Mileage is now 8,479. New windshield and gasket. Oil change and filters, gas filters, 2 fan belts in 96, 97, 98, 98. All the same stuff. U-joint, hubknob. Mileage is now 204,063. 99, new battery. Oil change, tune-up. Points, plugs, rotor, distributor cap, carb rebuild. 58 bucks. Must have rolled over. Odometer must have rolled over. 15,671. And the last one, September 4th of 99. Master cylinder, free lifetime. Mileage 16,979. Well, boy, we're bringing her back to life. You kept really good maintenance, and again, a really good maintenance log. Let's see what else you got up in here. Of course, we got the service identification. See, rear window sliding, floorboard, heavy front and rear springs, comfort tilt steering, chrome hubcaps, olive cloth trim, tinted glass, no spin rear axle, 300. I don't know why my 350 small block V8, power steering, tamper wiring, heavy duty radiator. This thing's pretty cool. Got some of that old school high-end stuff from 1972. See, you know this old boy was just a working man. Flashlights. Some more goggles. I had to bring those back to life. Oh, they're broke. Well, might still have to do what we can do with those. Some more instructions. Not really sure what this is, to be frank. Connection to speakers. That'd be like an external adjustment to all your stuff outside of just your radio, and you fine tune it here maybe? I don't know. A little extra handle, a couple light bulbs, a couple fuses. Circle K is your day, baby. Couple matches in case we get stuck up on the mountain, I guess. Couple more. We are on the way. She is on the way to being back on the road again. That's about it. We also did a quick little engine swap. We got this thing firing first click. First hit, one bump. Firing clean. Still got a little tune up to do, but she's running good. Pull this shell off. This thing's really close to being on the road again. Got things sitting up in the air. This rotor wasn't bad when it was on the ground and we were filling it. It's got a little groove on the inside, nothing too crazy, but the wheel would also spin freely on this side. It's really good. This hub bearing's running good after so long, but we couldn't even hardly get the driver to spin with the wheels and brakes on. Spins free as can be, but it's got a nasty digger in the back. Look, if you can see that. 1, 2, just freaking took all the material off of there. And this looks like, I don't know, this pad's got a big groove in it, right down the middle. I don't know if you can see that little U shape right here. and just destroyed this pad. So it's good shoulder there, good shoulder there. So I'm not too sure what caused that. Unless this brake pad just destroying it, but it's running good, about to have some brakes. This thing's about ready to be on the road, legally and trustworthy. See what happens.